Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch diary. Start by selecting a sketchbook that feels right in your hands, perhaps one with a durable cover and paper that can handle various mediums. You'll also need some basic drawing tools, a few pencils of different hardness, a fine liner pen, and a good eraser. For a splash of color, consider a small watercolor set or a compact box of colored pencils. These simple supplies are all you need to begin your creative journey. Making your sketch diary a daily habit is key. Try to set aside 15 to 20 minutes each day, perhaps during your morning coffee or before bed. The goal is to observe your world with fresh eyes. Look for interesting textures, the way light falls on an object, or the unique expressions of people around you. Don't overthink it, just capture what catches your attention. Your sketch diary is a space for experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things. Practice quick gesture drawings to capture movement, or spend more time on a detailed study of a single object. Explore different mediums, perhaps an ink wash for shadows or a touch of charcoal for texture. Remember, the aim is to express your observations and feelings, not to create a flawless masterpiece. Periodically, take time to look back through your sketch diary. You'll be amazed at how much you've grown and developed your skills. Adding a few written notes next to your sketches can help you remember the context or your feelings at that moment. Don't worry about mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Your sketch diary is a personal record of your creative journey, celebrating every step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.